Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing? I hope you must be doing very, very well and you must be enjoying your lives. Today is 2nd of December 2025, and I will be looking at gold, US dollar, dollar index, dollar CAD, dollar yen, D40, US 500, US 30, Euro GPY, gold dollar, okay, silver and pound and CHF and euro and literally everything, and some like CAD JPY, US tech and euro GBP as well. So everything will be discussed in this session today, but first let me eat this orange. And eating this orange because my little son just gifted it to me out of his share. So we usually like, yes, his share. So thanks to Jawad Khan for this. And yes, my friends, this is it. This is it, my friends. This is it. Okay, this is it. Anyways, did you saw gold? First of all, I want to start from gold. Why? Because gold is standing at such a place. You just look at it, okay? You just look at it. And I want to ask you, do I need to explain something further about it? You just have a look at it. Till then, I will eat this. Then you guys will also come to the stream. Welcome to everyone watching me for the first time. And hopefully, in this live stream, I am on this mission to uh, give as more concepts as I can, okay? Because I want to build a community, I want to build a family of traders who think the same way. So I am on this mission. Now you guys just pray for me so that I get success in this mission. I have very big goals as well. Some of them I have disclosed. Some of them I have not disclosed yet, but obviously everything will be for the betterment, for the improvement of you, the trader, the retail trader. A proper movement, it will be a proper movement. So, did you see this gold? You just have a look at it, my friend. Now you just see. You just have a look at it. How beautiful this market is. I mean, literally the beautiful one. But before that, before discussing the beauty of the market, let's also see what then I did yesterday. My friend, if I hold it all the way from there till here, I would be a very good profitable person by now. I would have hardly hit like around 1500 from this same one trade. But what actually happened then yesterday, let me show you that as well. First of all, let me turn on the history, and now let's see right here. Let's make me the chart as this, and you will remember yesterday, my friends, you will remember I said something. I said something when I was leaving the stream yesterday. Here, you just have a look at this sell. 135 pips I booked from it then. And no trading since then. No trading. You know, I don't chase the prices at all. Never. So did you understood this yesterday's story of a candle? Make sure to check it out, my friends. Okay, see, this was that candle. What did I say yesterday is that this is the retest of the previous one, and when it closed, what did I say then? That now, my friend, and especially that H4 candle that we have seen yesterday, you will remember this one. Let me turn off the trade history, so you will understand this. As soon as it formed yesterday, I was not even closing the stream so that I can update you about this H4 closing for a clear sell sign. And later we have seen a drop back to this zone. Now this zone, for those of you who are watching me for the first time, first of all, it was a trend line, and on this trend line I have discussed in my weekly forecast as well, plus I spent pretty much time on it in the yesterday's live stream. So yes, those those who listened to me yesterday are in good profit by now, and book it. And if not traded, don't worry, this market is not running out of setups, and this is just one gold. See, I have a lot of other pairs on my panel, so this much don't take tension about the trade opportunity, that if you missed, it means there will be no other no, there will be opportunities. But forget your profit at this moment, forget your missed trade at this moment, focus on what I'm saying. This is very much important, because people are not going to tell you these things. Yes, my friends, very honestly speaking, others are not going to tell you these things. So right here, if you see, there was a very fantastic Fibonacci number we had right here. Yes, I should say this was nice. If I go to lower time frame, this will be a Fibonacci. So fine. Yesterday I have discussed it. But for this sell, my take profit was at 41,200 for this trade setup. Actually, these are two different things, my friends. One is trade. Trade is the one which I showed you, that from there I entered, and from maybe right here or somewhere right here on this candle I left, because as I said, I don't chase the market. Simple. So then it came down, and today for us the thing is a little bit simple, and I was afraid about this drop, that this drop will be coming, and this is 770 pips of a drop, my friend. I spent Sunday on it. Two videos I uploaded about this same structure. Then yesterday I spent almost 2 hours. We find this move in a bullish trend. Remember, in a trend where it is showing us this in a very longer run. But I'm coming to this point, okay? Don't worry. I'm coming to this point, my friend. That is showing this. I talk about this as well yesterday, and during the on the weekend as well. Now, my friends, today market dropped. Let's clear the chart a little bit. Okay, clear this chart as well. I hope you understand it and you will remember it for your lifetime, because you have seen in my live streams live all in front of you. You are very lucky. This double top formation, you have seen this divergence and you have witnessed it, this divergence as well. See, yesterday, as I said, when this candle was going up, I said it is going up, but it is a clear cut divergence and double top trade. So this is a stop hunt candle. Did I say? I said. So you are very lucky you get this chance of observing this stuff all in front of you through my live streams. So now today let's clean the chart a little bit. The actual was this place, but since we don't need it because obviously this is now as this, even I don't need this, and the whole work I should say that I'm going to do will be based right here inside this. So whatever as an intraday trader I'm going to do, it will be right here, right? I will be doing that today as well. First, let's reflect a little bit about the yesterday's candle. Yesterday we have seen a rejection from the top, but today it came down, did that sell scenario first. So obviously as a price action it should continue back bullish. Now right here on the H4, if I see, we will be finding out trade opportunity and direction. Now even if you watch my or if you are with me from session number 50, I assume you now should have this whole information about the candlesticks. And this is a very nice level as well. See, very nice, fantastic one. So obviously till at this stage it looks to me as a rejection, and it should look like as a rejection. To the top side we have different structure on the H1. I will be studying it on the lower time frames as well. Okay, market is not going away anywhere. Give me a like till then. If you can give me a like, I need it. Thumbs up, I mean. Hello, Dinchu, good morning. Gold is your Narmesis. What does it mean? GBPUSD falls. Let's see. We will see that. White Eagle. Hi sir, I'm new to your channel. Where to start to understand your strategy? Well, my channel has a lot of content about it. A lot of videos, a lot of stuff, a lot of weekly forecasts from which you can actually learn. Because in the videos and in the forecasts, I just don't like say it is going there and that is going there. I discuss it under the light of my strategy, and I give a proper strategy in each and every video. So clear, understand? Now my friend, today 42.34 is the level approximately. I have to find out a trade opportunity for myself, but obviously that will be on a lower time frame. When you know your targets, you know everything. This trend I'm going to study it for you, okay? This is, it looks a drop on the H1 time frame, but if we see it on the lower time frames, it will be a proper full-fledged type of a trend. Okay, wow man, this orange is so sweet. The gift of December in Pakistan. The gift. Oh, I like oranges. Do you guys have any orange farm or something? My kids are insisting they want to visit a orange farm, spend the day there. Hmm. So yes, this is a full type of a trend on the 15 minute, and try to learn these things. Okay, whatever I'm telling you is I'm telling because I already know. Okay, so right here I tell so that more people also know about it. Now see, that drop was a proper trend on the 15-minute time frame, this one. And if anyone wants to become a very good forex trader, has to understand these mini trends, these H1 trends, H4 trends, and stuff like that. So yes, on the 15-minute time frame, it will be a channel as well. Nice channel it will be. Just see. And it will be a downward trend at the same time as well. See. So I think trading it will be. We will see that okay, how do we get it by candlestick readings, by everything. Now on the H1 we have what? We have a bullish engulfing candle. Okay, we have a bullish engulfing candle. But since the way this market is being played out, we definitely have to look at it on what time frame? On 15 minute, because the channel after all is from the 15 minute. And then you know my style, when it comes to 1500 I definitely will need for this level to be highlighting. And at the moment if I see this level is also very much important for me. Yes, exactly this. So then I switch to the 5-minute time frame because market is see very slow today, in December especially. So today there will be a little bit patience, okay, not immediate trade opportunity. Today I will be looking at it for a buy, maybe right here 41.91 somewhere, several times. If once I'm stopped out and I think this level is still valid, again I will be buying. Okay, so this is that intraday which I'm waiting for. Now let's see a little bit the long term as well. My friend, in the weekly forex forecast I said that if this level is broken, then consider market straight on this line 41.22, and even that cell can be like if I tell you exactly at the 618, then 41.15 comes the level. And now my friend, whatever is happening right here, if I tell you this is a part of something very big, a part of this. Now you will say how? Let me first activate the pen, then I tell you how. This is now another style of trading. Okay, there are some traders who like it the pattern style. The pattern style is a little bit comfortable compared to the candlesticks one, but we cannot like ignore the value of each other. No, cannot be ignored. Okay, so don't worry, I will be trading. Thank you. Didn't you? Thank you. So this is something of like a part of something very bigger, whatever is happening right here. And there is this pattern, And now for your kind information, I want to tell you that this pattern is also a 61.8% retracement. Now again and again, I don't want to go into those details because everything I have already discussed. But let me activate it once again for you. But then the newcomers, for them, I try to say it a little bit. Right here, this is a pattern, okay? Then we looked at it till here. Then it got bullish, obviously, and we became bullish as well. But from there, yesterday we have confirmed maybe a sell, and then it is now right here. But this bigger people, these people and these people, their place is this, okay? Their place is this 61.8% retracement, 61.8, 61.8, 61.8. So we still can say that, okay, if we get a little bit breakout from right here, the market can continue downward. So some people do this mistake when I analyze, and when I'm analyzing the bullish scenario, they are watching. But when it comes to the bearish scenario, they leave the market. Right here, I'm like not sitting to give signals or something. I read these markets for all of you. I simply read these markets. So these are very simple things and I have to discuss about it further. Okay, now let's see if we are going to get that trade so we can trade. Otherwise, I will till then switch to some other pairs and will tell you that what is actually going on. Because I will need this trade, okay? This trade. Now a moment after, if people join and say, let's say if I take a trade from here, later if the people say, Aftab, how did you took this trade? Well, I will mind that thing a little bit. I will say, please come a little bit early to the stream. This much little bit early to the stream, then you will understand everything. And similarly, maybe if a breakout happens from right here, then I can become a bullish. See, this is market, my friend. This is market. Okay. So on the H1 we have bullish engulfing, then on the M30 we have indecision candle, the last one, this one. So yes, I will say, see why I need this breakout. I need this breakout because if you see this zone right here and closely observe it, because my friends, we are putting money right here as a risk. So what do you say? Before a breakout of this channel, I should buy? No, I will not buy. And if I'm selling right here, I have to ask myself, what is so urgency that I'm selling against these people? Because if I'm going to sell, let's suppose, proper confirmed one, then check out my weekly forex forecast. I discuss this trade. Even if we think we are bearish on this one, we will need a breakout and a retest, and then we will see this zone. But unless that doesn't happen, and we cannot say that it is happening, like what type of information we have on the basis of which we should say that it is happening? We have nothing. Okay, so yes, this is that weekly thing. If it happens, bulls will get a chance to enter nicely. If not happens, so these sellers will be in no trades. But selling from right here, my friend, doesn't make any logic. Okay, even let's suppose, even if I'm getting a good trade opportunity right here as a sell from there till here around 164 pips, I still will say no. It took a rejection from a good support zone. So my friends, these are mental stories, these are mental preparations, mental mindsets that we need to understand. And once we understand these whole concepts, then we get successful. But the problem these days is Most of the trader is unaware of these words. Trader today is unaware of this breakout retest. Trader today is unaware because there is no one to tell them. So how will they get aware that this breakout will be for a very healthy, nice, fantastic trade opportunity? This breakout will be enough. Okay. Otherwise, on the basis of candlesticks, indecision is going on. Yes, if I spot that breakout on time with the help of my candlesticks reading, then I will say yes. Why not? Let's give it a try. And why is this another reason this is important for me? See, these are the rules of Forex. Once a level is broken, when the price will be coming back up against it, it will need more pressure. And more pressure needs more bulls in this case. Similarly, those who were selling the market right here, they needed more pressure to break this zone, this one. They needed pressure. So same again, if it want to re-enter into the zone, obviously it will do what? It will be taking a little bit of the time and confirmation for the traders. Okay, so this is how it is. Now let's see, very good trading day it is going to be. Very good trading day, very fantastic one. And we have to see, my friend, we have to see. One is that other trade opportunity. Let's say I want to buy right here and want to put a stop loss of 399 pips. I will say just they can take it till 42.33, not above this. Okay, not above this, just back towards 42.33, because above this then there will be then this story again. Now you should know my style. Above this breakout retest continuation, so we'll be separately trading. There are all of the time an opportunity present in the market, but this is us who need to understand it, because we are always lost in the charts and we don't just read actually what is going on in the market. Pound dollar, let's see the bigger image. Okay, this channel was broken, this breakout occur. And my friend, do you know why I exited that buy trade last week? You will remember. Because see, I just hate these consolidations and stuff. Like the whole day you will be waiting. Okay, let's say if I was holding that trade, let's say the whole day I would be holding that trade, and then by the end of the day I would say, oh, today nothing happened, nothing happened. And on top of that we get a bearish pin bar as well. So then obviously I would be, as a human being, a little bit curious for my trade opportunities. And right here I might be trading 0.01, 0.02, but my real stuff is very big. Okay, so that's why I closed, because I wanted to be safe from this whole drama right here, whatever it is be. And rest, I later than this decided that okay, if it dropped back to which level, to this level, then I will reconsider entering as a buy. I said it last week. Okay, I said it, and that is this level, but upon confirmation it can be this level, it can be this level as well. And don't worry, I'm coming to gold. Okay, we are not going to miss any type of a trade. We will be trading, my friends. We will be trading. We will be trading and we will be trading. No one can stop us, but at our desired levels. We don't leave our desired levels. So if the desired level is concerned, for the GBP USD, have a look at it right here, and then right here as well, right here. So right here I should get something. Okay, and for the sell, the actual sell level was this, so I didn't get there, and I was not looking at for a close-up of this for a sell right here. So if it was right here, I would consider it for a sell otherwise. And same is the Euro US dollar. But Euro US dollar still shows bullishness. See, this is its next target. Now how it does it, we don't know. But this is, and obviously this buyers are at the moment waiting for this. Okay, buyers are waiting for this, but whether it happens or not happens, we don't know. This breakout, then upon a retest, maybe it can be easily be got on um, lower time. This daily, so H4 H1 can give plenty of good opportunities as this, while we will remain be with this trend by then, this one. But you can say these are just my daydreaming till now. So far actual stuff will start above this level, so for now I'm just daydreaming. And 1.16460 remain will be an important level for the sellers, right? Because sellers once drop it from right here, and this time in the real time we don't know if further sellers are going to appear or not. But yes, if I say on the H4 sellers do appeared, but they could not give us a break below from this structure, because only a break below from this structure would mean that it is coming back down further. Instead it is showing us bullishness, so which means let's see at our double top it's going to stop right here, or it is going to give us a breakout and a retest. Oh, my son brings something for me. Oh, wow, wow, come here my son, climb like a cat, climb, say good morning.
Good morning.
He brings some rice for me. Wow, thank you.
Welcome.
Go, bye bye karo.
Bye.
Go, go bring ketchup as well, okay? Ask your mom, there are beans a little bit of them. Ask your mom. Wait, okay, wait. Hey guys, you guys wait a little bit. I'm deciding planning for a dinner right here. So just give me one moment. Dinner with you today. Jawad, stop. Wait. Wait, okay. Where is that? Okay. So what I was saying? Yes. They could not break below this. Below this. Instead, it is showing us bullishness. So what does that it mean? Maybe a double top can be formed or something. Okay. So euro pound is done. Okay. For CHF, I'm not into it till now. Silver made a new high. I'm not into it. Breakout confirmed on US 500. See why I closed yesterday that trade on the USD JPY. Now I want to ask you why I closed that USD JPY trade yesterday. Because I was afraid of this, and I did not like. How do I know that I should be afraid of this level? Because we have already drawn it. See this big 61.8% retracement right here. Maybe on Friday, I guess I discussed it in the live stream very nicely. So I am not concerned about that position by now. Okay, I'm not at all. But that was, my friend, the profit. So if that was the profit, I booked it later, it's okay. It will open further doors for me, maybe to sell again from right here. Okay, simple. Same is the dollar CAD. Why I closed yesterday? Same situation. On the DXY, my friend, if I tell you DXY and euro dollar have a little bit same structure. There the seller rejected from here and is this much range. Okay, on this one, on the euro dollar. Let me do a little bit precisely. A sell from there and oops, not here. Inside this zone. See, this is a resistance. It dropped, is now showing a backup. Now the dollar index, let's see. Read these things, okay? They are very much important. Now the dollar index, where is that? Where is the dollar index, my friend? Yes, here. Same structure is going on right here as well. See, this one is showing this, but can be stopped right here, can break out, retest, and then continue back up. Everything is in front of us, and from there we became a seller from right here. That ABCD pattern completion I discussed with all of you. Now let's move a little bit to the gold again, and let's see if this breakout has occurred so that I can trade. So every day the market will be different, my friends. Sometimes it will be different, sometimes it will be different, and you have to make yourself used to this thing. Yes, if anyone wants to become a good trader, has to learn these things. Now let's see it on the 1 minute. Until then I will have little bit of these. I will eat these rice with some ketchup. It has sugar, I should be careful, but anyways I don't consume much sugar, but I mean the less the better. Okay, the less the better. Sugar is not good for health. It kills. It kills the cells. Okay, it kills the cells. It kills the cells. Till then I will also have a look at the chat right here. Who is with me? Thank you, White Eagle. Loki Victor, thank you. Yes, D40, I'm going to analyze it. I will be. But this rice is getting cold. So I said, let's enjoy the rice as well. And sorry guys, a little bit for not being very formal, okay? Because these chart readings and these teachings are anyways formal. So inside these, I should find some mental comfort time for myself. Then I will be able to analyze further. And yet I have to decide to take a trade as well. Forex, my friend, is not that difficult. You know, we ourselves make it difficult. We make it difficult for ourselves. How? By listening to thousands of people and doing our own thing. This color is perfect. Well, on the 1 minute for scalping, it became bullish, okay, for scalping. This is a scalping trade, first of the day. 28 pips of a stop loss. Let me make it 57 pips. This trade can survive a lot of the time. See, 1 2 3 45 minutes it spent right here, so I think it should survive and it should give some profits, but it can take a big rejection from here. Okay, so I will see that from where I want to close. When you analyze the market says this, you will also be trading this way. This much it is, we just need to find out these trends, my friend. This much simple it is. This one I have told you yesterday in the weekly forex forecast as well. Now if one is not trading, he will always be afraid. Fear has no fear has no solution in this business, and fear people cannot work well in this business. Yes, these are the truth things I'm telling you. Because see, we are now today meeting as a on a dinner as well, on a table I should say, dining table. This is my today for me. It means hmm, some other food arrived. Hmm, thank you. Hmm, hmm, thanks. Hmm, enough. Thank you. Thank you so much. Effortlessly, I mean 21 pips it's giving me. Oh, my red beans arrived. See? Oh, see, I want to stay informal, but my teachings are formal. When I teach, I don't compromise. But obviously, when we trade, we can have chit chat. Okay? Thank you, White Eagle. So I say, okay, what's the problem if I remain a little bit informal so that I also do enjoy this time? Right? Because 2 hours of teaching non-stop, that is like literally not will be a good justice to one's brain. Okay, and mental power is everything, and those who are doing it is doing it for money, making a fake image on the camera as this that. Oh, I know a lot of the things, my friend. Honesty is such a weapon. There is no stronger weapon than the honesty, and especially that in forex. Especially in forex, that is not possible. Usually in the live streams I get so much hungry because non-stop I speak. So that's why I get a little bit. And anyways, it's dinner time, so after the stream my kids are asleep. So anyways, because this is usually the dinner time right here. 6 p.m. It's almost dark here. It's been like 40 minutes ago it became darker here. Okay, let's see this a little bit. Well, I say okay, I booked this 16 pips later. I see, okay. I was thinking that maybe it is going straight up from here. If it is going this much slow, then I will prefer to leave the market a little bit. And I can later enter near this trend line again. I'm turning off the mic a little bit, okay. Yes, this volume I was missing. This volume. Might take profit up there. Take profit here. Perhaps right here 42.34. Yes, and it will just hardly need this much stop loss. So 228 pips of a TP and 111 pips of a stop loss. So let's have a look at it clearly. Now here I want to tell you one thing. Even if I'm holding this trade till there, I will be a little bit afraid right here because you know yesterday's session we discussed previous candles high. See, strong sellers are already there. So even if this candle closes up there, still there will be a chance that the market can, like this fear and this threat will still be there, that it can retest 41.91. Okay. Okay. Well, my friends, right here the market has been for the intraday a little bit dependent on this 15-minute candle to close. Okay, I'm anyways hedging at the moment. Candle closed bearish, this one. This one can go back up, take the high of it and then come back down. Or it can just come back down, or it can just go continue and high. So it will mean that we are like, I'm fooled by this candle, but this is part of trading, it happens. No serious stuff, okay? No serious stuff, pure logic and pure stuff we will be looking at. Okay, if the market wants to go down first, we let it go down back to 41.91, and then we know that okay, what further it's going to do. Till then, let me head over to your chat. Okay, Rayan Malidu, I'm also okay. Come back for Loki Victor. Okay, it did. Rafi Muhammad, sir, just now joined. Please review about your saving position. Rewind the session. Okay, swing positions are discussed. Rewind the sessions because the existing audience will then be bored if I again try to discuss it. So we say okay, go down first, my friend. Okay, simple. But if it doesn't go down, will mean I'm stuck badly. Yes, this is true. Later, how I get out of that situation, I cannot say anything about it. How? But it will be in front of you. This is my desire that okay, now it should drop, stop this sell right here, and then continue bullish. But market today is a little bit very different. Look at this 15-minute candle. Now this is a bearish engulfing, classic signs for a downward momentum, but we will know that only on the lower time frames. So the 5-minute candle closed is a little bit indecision. I mean, the sellers are still not sure whether we are selling or not, because the thing that happened, 99% of the people were ready for this breakout, but the market did this is that market maker stuff. Okay, but those who don't know about this market maker stuff obviously will be trapped. It gives me, like, even after working for like 10 years in this industry, still it gives me sometimes big hectic. But I mean, like, this is business. Okay, there is no solution for them. But market maker, smart money, they tried to manipulate the move, and same happened right here, same they did today. Remember, trade safe and stay aware. Yes. Okay, now I no doubt like this particular trade setup, but I'm not more interested in it as that, because image has been created wrong. Why? Because then the actual level is 41.91. Then what these traders are doing right here, maybe ranging. Yes, that can be true, because see, most of the people entered as a buying on emotion right here, then on a selling right here on emotion. Both of these trades are tiny bit emotional driven. Okay, so every trader has its own psychology, but formula can be remain the same for everyone. For example, if I make 10% with this strategy, another clever person who is more sharper on mind than me, he will be making 30, 35, 40% with it. So it is that way. to be looked for. This one, let's see. Now this 15-minute candle is going to decide what it wants to actually do. But then, my friend, if this candle continues as this, I still will say this is, and if even if this comes still here and closes here, then I will say this is now a bearish engulfing against these people. So this will be another drama. A lot of the stuff this market is going to teach us today. See, every day we learn something from the market. This market teaches us something. So by the time when I book 108 pips as a profit from this one, I will then be into a buying. Marcos, have the low volume for the rest of the month as traders have begun taking holidays. I would say it's best to reserve capital to trade for bullish wave next month. Well, I think Marcos, but let's see. When I feel that, I'm sure. Done, sir. Will rewind it just now. Yes, please do. Yes, because some different types of traders appeared, but on a scalping range, I think they can give profits. Even right here, it was giving me around 43 pips of a profit, but I was thinking something else. Now, my friends, it has created a pattern right here. Most, Marcus, most traders do trade during the holidays as well. Okay. Yes, if the banks are closed, then we can say there will be very less volume. Because see how much volume is this? 35 pips. And how much this drop was? 129 pips. So at the moment, I call, if the market is moving as this 2 pips, 3 pips, 4 pips, 5 pips, then I will say it is slow. But unless and until that is the situation, we cannot say it is slow. Even yesterday, how much it dropped? 770 pips it dropped. Right? So, but yes, if one know what he's doing, I think this market becomes so much easy for that person. And this is that trend line stuff going on right here. So if it come back down from there, I think it can maybe take over this level as well. But let's see, I'm taking a sell till here, and who knows, it can stop me out on this one as well. But I have to keep these trades. Maybe if I get a chance right here as well, I might be trading. And yes, the H4 is also going to close. Oh, my friend, look at this. My friend, look at this. That's why it's sold off from there. No, my friend, this stop loss cannot survive. This is a TP, right? Yes, this stop loss will be only able to survive with 350 pips now. Because it's not maybe that much simple. Anyways, whatever the situation is, it will be. For now, I think I should book 36 pips of 37 pips of a loss from the sell. Okay, I did. I booked this as a loss because yes. Let's then hold it nicely. Nicely means nicely. Till there. But there will be some fake outs, some stuff. So let's see. Lower time frames, if go down, I can add more positions then. One minute will clear this whole confusion, clear for us. Because right here is then another area. Okay. So we will see. Let me head over to your chat if there is any. Exactly, Marcos. Good for scalping. So let's see what it gives us further. Those of you who are watching me for the first time, give me a subscribe the channel if you really want to learn. If one is not interested in learning, then obviously I cannot by force invite someone to that, hey, come here, I will be teaching you. But yes, if you are really trying to learn something new every day, this stream is for you. Even if you watch the replay of it, still that is more beneficial for all of you. More beneficial. Okay. Let's have a look at GBP JPY for the moment. This trade yesterday I gave all of you as well, but my member as well. They made profits on this one. I didn't trade it. DXY, dollar CAD. Now, do you understand why I left dollar CAD and USD JPY? Most of you were saying, "Oh, why you closed? Why you closed?" This was that reason that I was able to see these things that it can do occur. Okay. Now, if market closes above this, then the rest of the story is very easy. Okay. But in the real time, we also cannot know that how far and how much time is it going to spend right here, because this is this downward channel that I discussed. Okay. And most of the traders, now why I'm holding a buy right here, because I want to be separated to be separate from the crowd is selling right now at the moment, because this channel is visible to everyone, and perhaps that's why these patterns then do the opposite for you, do the opposite for 95% of the traders. Okay, because see, 95% of the trader is selling right now. Why? Because they say this is a channel. Well, what do you think, my friend? The market maker doesn't see this, that most traders are going to come here for a sell. They knew it, they know it. It's not hidden from them. Okay, it's not hidden from them. And can retailers make such a big candle when it is dropping all the way from around 1 day, I should say 24 hours, and all of a sudden it become bullish? Can a retailer do this? No, because 95% of the trader is scattered. Okay, everyone is holding a sell from right here, but some are taking profits right here, some here, and I should say technically they are correct, psychologically they are not correct, and that is one reason I do the opposite of it. But I have obviously a strategy which guides me with the help of candlesticks and with the help of these little tools that I do it in front of you. I mean, simply, if you see this, what is this? What is this level? This is a pattern. How many patterns, such patterns I should show you? How many? You just tell me this. Because there are a lot of the patterns. Patterns forms, patterns gives profit, patterns do fail, stuff like that. Yes, my friends, patterns do fail. Okay. And now on the other hand side, there is this going on as well. This one, this stuff recently validated just now, few moments ago. And there the story of the triangle comes as well along the way. So these are those markets which do this. Okay, now a big volume is expected in 2 minutes. So if it is to the sell side of the market, I will be observing this, but if that is also not respecting this, I might be closing the buy deal. I will not wait for my stop loss to hit further, because market strictly has gone in aggression mode right here. And let's see if, because market makers should also know this, that majority is selling from right here. So if it is going for a big up move, then it can take this big correction as well. This one, big correction of 115 pips. But since this 5 minute is holding, so this candle is trying to come back down to take a retest of it. So let's see how it closes in 1 minute, and then what will be the situation. How will be the situation? Okay, everything transparently right here in front of us. Then maybe I can add one more buying decision from right here. See, it tested the low and continued bullish. Now we have to see what the next candle does with to us. If it is a truly bullish market, it should go close above these two candles. Otherwise, it will again, if it is a ranging market, it will take a, just tap it and will come back down close somewhere right here. Still, the market can be a little bit confused. Big volume appeared. Let's see to which side that big volume is. Initial signs are to the bullish side, rest we see. Okay, rest we see. Rest we see. Now I want to ask you, do you guys understand something from my live streams or not? Please let me know. Yes, there is a big bearish engulfing candle on the 15 minute. This, and it clearly suggests a drop. Okay, a drop down to 41.91. And who knows, maybe the drop can be further sharp as well. And I can trade it, but upon the proper breakout retest, because if I do it as this, situation can be a little bit trouble for me. So I come right here and I mostly discuss the candles and the patterns. There are, remember, two types of traders: those who trade the levels with the candles and those who trade the levels with the patterns. Well, obviously with the patterns it's a little bit easy graphically as well. You see the pattern, when you see it, then you trade it. Okay, and there are people who sell patterns as well. Okay, they sell it, but I identify it right here free of cost for you. I don't sell it. Instead, I focus on the teaching of the candlesticks to you. These patterns and these rest of the stuff, I'm not selling it. I show you this. Then there are also techniques in the upcoming episodes I'm going to share with you. As we grow further in this market, things will be start getting easy for us, right? Further, the things that show up, for example, if I tell you this is a pattern, now passing it, failing, that is something else. Okay, that is something else. Now let's read a little bit these candles. Now what this candle is suggesting right here, this is a clear consolidation zone, this whole. Okay, so yes, now everyone knows a break below this can put it down further 100 pips approximately. But if this candle closes above this one, then it can tell us a bullish one. And since this is now bearish, if it was a bearish, why these sellers didn't push it down? So this is that confirmation candle which will tell us that what it's going to do further, and we will patiently be waiting for it, not in a rush. My friends, Forex is not in a rush type of thing. Yes, not at all. So seems like it is today again bullish to the bullish side with a crawling effect, because it is slowly crawling, traps the sellers till at this stage and go bullish. Trap the sellers, go bullish. Trap the sellers, go bullish. This is a pattern, and there are traders who trade these patterns. 66 pips it gave. One pattern is enough for those who trade big lots. One such pattern. Simple. 50 pips on the table. Very simple. In a nice and beautiful way. Not in a hectic way. Very simple way. Obviously, my friend, it needs a little bit understanding as well. Understanding of the candles. A little bit of learning of it. Education of it. Then these things will be so easy for everyone who is struggling to make consistent profits. Okay. Is there any question for me in the chat? We have to see it, don't worry. Even if it is selling, I will be selling, okay? On this pattern breakout. This is now the pattern breakout followed by a trend line right here, which indicates break below, market continue further down. Okay. Market do what? Market go further down. Market go further down. But the breakout has not yet occurred. So obviously whenever the breakout will be occurring, then we will be trading. Before a breakout, we cannot trade, my friends. See, again from this level, bulls came 16 pips. 16 pips effortlessly, one level gave. Now let's see a little bigger picture. For example, if it is taking a big correction, we have to see that as well. Because in the weekly forex forecast, I also discussed this. Break below, retest, continuation back to 41.15 as well. Because just like this is a retest level for it, this is also, my friend, a retest level for it. So while still it will be bullish, see, it will still be bullish on the daily time frame. Okay, it will be still bullish back till there as per this ABCD pattern. So this is that daily stuff. You will remember I said it can come back down to the weekly low. In the weekly forecast I said, and the weekly low is 4060. So that is even a further bigger level, but I'm not looking at it with that much far away for now. So that's why I'm focusing on this. But for several days I have observed that when the time I end the stream, that time usually the strong people come and take the market to one direction. Let's see, 2 minutes left for this 5-minute candle to close. Is bullish, but 15-minute candle is the decision one, okay? That will set the tone. We need this candle above this zone, then we can say it is bullish, okay? Otherwise, if this candle closes below this, then it will still be like bearish. See, it is struggling. Nicely struggling. But we have 7 minutes, so in 7 minutes anything can happen. Look at this structure now, my friends. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, J United, I think so. But let's see what the bulls do right here. They do a break above or not. because liquidity grab can be also below this as well. See, there is a lot of liquidity right here to the buy side, bullish liquidity. So maybe let's see this candle is struggling right now, and they are thinking where we need to give it a close. So they are still thinking about it. So let's see a little bit and let's find out what after all this and how this candle closes and then what it gives us. Five minutes left. Till then, let's have a look at the 5 minute candle, how that closes. See, these things you also need to learn. Step by step, you need to learn and apply these techniques to your charts. Now, 5 minute candle can tell us a different story, but we also now need to rely on it. We need for a candle to close above this on the 15 minute and now M5 as well. So patterns, my friend, patterns do give profit. See on one candle how much these market makers book: 65 pips. Yes, exactly. J United, you are right. It did. But I need this candle to close above. Still, if not, then still there is a chance of dropping. Now let's see why it is struggling this much. For newcomers, let me tell it once more. We are right here. See, this level was, sorry, not right here, right here. We were right here. Market was trying to respect it. Respect it. Respect it. Here. Downside. Now it needs more pressure right here. It needs more pressure to give us that woo candle and reply to those breakout sellers. But obviously breakouts are my favorite trade plans, because on the breakouts we get very quick profits. Let's see, we have 3 minutes left, my friends, and if this candle closes as this, it can be way too good bullish. While this level remain will be a little bit trouble, okay? It can push the price back down to the trend line. If that is the situation, it will be a very critical situation, I should say. Yes, that will be way too much critical. But first let's see this 15-minute candle, that how it closes. Because pretty much nice consolidation zone it has created right here. And my friend, if it closes above this level, oh, then that is way too bullish candle, okay? You will remember that day when we were trading 4100 level. Same was this structure where we saw that woo candle, you will remember. This is that kind of a market today. But the problem is we can see that woo also to the downside first and then the upside first. So that's why I'm not I'm holding it properly, this position, because it requires bigger stop loss. In the weekly forex forecast I discussed it. So since I discussed it, that's why I took it right here. And on the H1 there is good rejection from here as well. good rejection from the top as well. So we now will know that okay, what this market's intention is after all going to be. We have 1 minute left, so let's see how this 15-minute candle closes. If it closes as this, then it means that these same bulls who are right here, they are willing to continue this rally to the upside of the market. Then there will be several trouble areas maybe right here as well, but we will separately see that. In case of a Wu candle, it's not going to respect these levels. It will just straight go and but first let's see this in 1 minute how it closes. Now even if it closes right here bullish engulfing, but it has a little bit less strength. Maybe why they give it this less strength to this market, because this candle now again can come back down, take a retest of it, and then who knows after that. Can be a wick as well, so immediately I can also not sell. So that will be now one critical situation for us. But yes, on the 1 minute things will be easy for us. See, now market is suggesting a little bit further drop, but let's see, let's wait for this breakout. Okay, the breakout occurs, then I will be hedging the position. And look at the RSI, it is just like in the middle till now so far. So maybe some false breakout till right here can also be observed. So proper breakout and then we trade, okay, not an immediate one. And if one thing every day will be a profitable day, well, that is also false, because you haven't seen me yet holding the positions. When I hold the positions for weeks, I'm in drawdown, and then for months I'm in profits. The position ones that I do on the position accounts, because I am an all-rounder. I can do the intraday. Intraday is the toughest out of all, but I do it live right here with all of you. Then I can do the swing, I can do the day trade, I can do the intraday, literally everything. By now you should get an idea from my forecasts that yes, this person is an all-rounder. And perhaps that's why I don't hide my mistake from you. To tell you that okay, everything I know about the market. But then the market do whatever it wants to do. So when I take a mistake right here, I took a sell, that was a mistake till then. Was an immediate out of fear. It happens to everyone. But if one manages it nicely, then the profits can be all theirs. Another attempt from the bulls, having a good wick rejection, trying to re-enter into above this trend line again, and this time again it will be showing us a bullish. So how many scalping trades to the buy side it gave? 65, and not scalping, proper trades. 65, then 43, then again 65, then right here this one, a lot of the buying. If I was a scalper today, by now I would have got my profits by now. But anyways, now I understood how December is going to be, so I will be a little bit more careful in such situations. Yes, exactly. J United, with the help of Fibonacci, we can eliminate that. Sometimes will be good days, sometimes will be bad days. Everything will be right here transparently in front of us. Everything in front of you. If a trade is going up, I explain that. If a trade is going down, I explain that. Rest, it's up to you. I say don't follow my trade directions. Remember, my live streams are both for the buyers and the sellers. I explain both of the scenarios. So if one is looking at it to the sell side, remain to the sell side. Okay. because at the same time there are buying opportunities, there are selling opportunities, but those who enter in the middle, they crush. Okay, it is struggling, there is no good volume. Let's see when this H4 candle closes, it will decide that what it's going to do further. But I think VIX will be there. There is big liquidity down there. First, it will be trying to grab that. This is my personal doubt, but let's see. I'm holding it, so I'm holding it. No second opinion in this. Because then we get a little bit diverted as well. When we get diverted, then we lose money. We leave our own path and try to adopt another one. And that's the time when we decide for ourselves that we are on the losing track. 5 minute candle closed. 1 minute seems still now so far struggling. So let's see what it gives us, how it gives us. 4200 is going to be a strong level, no doubt. It is going to be a strong level. Let me show you right here on this separate chart. Where is that? Let me put it right here. Let me show you this on this chart. This is no doubt a strong level, but even more stronger is 4150 right here. So then but this let's say if one say I'm holding it as this 4150, then the take profit will be up there near 4313 and the stop loss will be right here. So approximately 1000 pips and 1:1 it is promising. 1:1. So I can hold it as this as well and add one more buying position from here. If I do, I will let you know tomorrow. I'm waiting for this H4 candle to close and then we know that okay, if it doesn't close bullish engulfing, then maybe the next candle will again be trying to come back down to 4149, and that's when that will be the time where I can then hedge the position, no doubt. But till now so far at this stage, let's see, this candle is struggling, so we will know in next 9 minutes that what it's going to do. We have seen candles that spend a lot of the time on such zones. For example, look at it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 hours is spent right here and then finally a breakout. And even after that breakout again for 1 2 3 4 for 5 hours there was indecision going on. Finally they dropped the market for this retest of the market and then that bigger rally come. So long term stuff can take a little bit time. Okay, long term stuff will be taking time, my friends. This will be then the long term trading stuff. Now right here we just need a close above this or a close above this. Most traders are looking at it this way as well, because if we see on the 15-minute time frame, this is a nice consolidation zone right here. See, now the thing is, if this candle closes as this, then the next candle can come back down, take a rejection and woo to the top side. See, now here we need to study this trend a little bit. We haven't got any break above this trend. Okay, but if I see it as this way, we have also got like this block right here. There is no doubt a tiny block right here, but let's see to the bullish side. This whole area, I mean this is a block area. Some people call it order blocks, different names. So if this 15-minute candle is going as this, it is a normal smooth rally back to at least till here. Then we decide okay further how much it go up or down. But RSI numbers we also cannot miss. So 6 minutes remaining. Let's see what it gives us. 6 minutes remaining, my friends. Then we will know that what this market is giving us. They say Forex is easy. It is easy, but one has to use their mind. If we don't use our mind, my friends, forget that this market will be giving profits. To those who just see, hey, tell me about gold. Oh, my friend, there is nothing tell me about gold. There is proper anatomy of it. We need to break down every level into analysis, into different parts. Every story is a part of a bigger story. One needs to understand it. One needs to understand it. Let me show you. There is this big rally, there is this big rally. Whatever is happening right here on the H4 is different rallies, then followed by this pattern, then this rally, then above this there is this rally, and then on this rally several buying rallies were included, and on this rally then there are also several buying levels that are concerned. So it needs a little bit mental effort as well. Let's see if we are going, this is a critical sell area. If I get a close above this, then I will be, and look at this bullish momentum, but it can be failed in just one candle as well. Okay, then the market will be gaining further momentum from here. So let's see, but the M15, if it gives a good breakout, things can be a lot easier today, a lot easier I should say. Someone just disliked, did I say something bad? Someone just disliked the stream. Why? Did I say something bad or like what? If you guys don't enjoy, I will not be coming live. It's okay. But see, I give you the right education, the right information. Yesterday I was saying on this candle, it's dropping, it dropped. Other than this, what do you expect from me? And I not just only tell you, but I properly explain it as well. I explain it. And chat right here, who is with me? The normal Uchigubu and those others, Christoph and Nazmat, and those are missing from the stream. What happened to them? Are they okay? This is a critical zone again, okay? 3 minutes left, and then we know that okay, what this market is going to give us. This is this market sort of. This is sort of this market at the moment. Decision time now, and the decision times are mostly tough as well at the same time. Let's move right here. We again need now a breakout from this level as well, and if market stay above this, then it is going back bullish. It is going back to the yesterday's level. But I mean, like, the sellers are also trying their level best. Level is for a breakout, my friend. Bulls also seem to the breakout side. And the H4 candle closing also seems like they are trying for a engulfing. See, a very bigger candle it is. This alone is a 322 pips of a candle. This alone. Maybe then it can create, if it slow down, it can create a pattern right here to go bullish. But that story will be a little bit lengthy. Yes, my friends, don't afraid of this market. Every level we will be trading. Every level. Don't just this much take tension. Sometimes the markets are different, so I explain it different. Sometimes, and promise me you will be watching this whole session, those who entered in the middle. At the beginning, I explained different concepts, different stuff, different things. So if you guys miss on it, I will think my audience know about everything, and then I will know that some of them entered in the middle. And I highly recommend that as soon as you join me from session number 50, it is good for all of you. Our times are, my friends, gone. Our times are gone. The learning phases, the practice phases, everything is gone. Now is the turn of the new model trader, the new age trader. How they want to take it further. How they can help me spread this message to each and every retail trader that these are the correct waves, and every trader should know the rules first. Then later, if that trader is losing or something, that will be his emotions or greed or stuff like that. But first, I say the trader should learn these things. Without these things, it will be way too risky, my friend. What you're saying? This is Forex trading. You are competing or you are having a business in a $20 trillion of a business in one day. This much bigger this market is. So little bit of mental effort it will require, my friend. Little bit of patience it will require. Here I see most of the traders comes to the live streams and they just get bored. Oh, I just get bored. My friend, later you will be losing money, then who will be responsible? Then you will be saying, oh, I lost money, I lost money. So if one is telling you the real truth, do join it, okay? Low-key Victor, why is your equity volume the same even if you make profit or not? I need to understand this. Which one? Equity volume? I didn't get it. I didn't get it, my friend. This is spread free, okay? Standard commission for holding positions. So this is how we actually need to manage these things, okay? And carry forward these things further to find out different directions for ourselves. Then things will be going nicely. Loki Victor, you have a question. Thank you, Dencho. Ah, okay, Dencho, I will not. Let's see, okay. See, my equity is going up and down right here. The position is very slow, 0.02. Positions I take very slow. No, I mean small. This is now again entering into a trouble area. And H4 closed. So let's see how that closed. Big green candle closed. Yes. But still, now this breakout 42.24 will be important for us. Even not this, but now that one. This one. Because if we get a close above this, these sellers are already taken over. Okay. Let's see for how long I will be holding the position. Now those who are in a rush and they don't listen to me correctly, they are stuck. If one thing without learning they will succeed, I think that is their mistake, I should say. We need to learn or constantly evolve in this market. These markets are constantly evolving. Every single day is different than the other. Every single hour is different than the other. So my friend, obviously some of the mental effort it will need. Okay, psychological effort it will need, mental health it will need. These are the things that makes a very good trader. These are the things, my friends, which makes a traders good. Today and yesterday and today I was a little bit more than in a teaching mode. So when I'm in a teaching mode, I'm very different. I'm not making more humor or chit chat like that. I'm straight to the point, discussing the markets, because this is how I am. This is literally how I am. When I discuss the markets, I literally forget everything. My whole attention and focus is on the markets. So that's why I then get these profitable trades. I catch them. I catch them. Anyone practicing this trade with me? And from which price point? See, now this is a little bit more another trouble area. So from here, now again it can drop till here. This is a very ideal market for scalping as well. Quickly, when you are aware of the levels, quickly it will be giving you profits. Now what should I do in this situation? It seems crashing down. If it was not a holding position, I would definitely close it. I would for sure be closing it. But the potential is it can come back down till here. It should take a retest from here now. From here it should take a retest if it come back down. Yes, when the sellers see these levels, obviously they are going to take benefit of it. 73 pips. But I'm holding a buy opinion, so I will be holding a buy opinion. Simple. One 5-minute candle closed of this hour is a breakout candle. Now I think if it doesn't continue, why it doesn't continue? Maybe waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. If it closes above this, then till here the road is very smooth. Road will get a little bit blurry again at 42.25. And yes, if we are lucky, it will just go straight woo. Yes, my profit is around, you can say, if I close this trade right now, my profit will be $300 on a 1K account. See, balance is 1282. Okay, 1297 minus 15. So you will get the balance. Okay, seems like it is going to close, giving us a close above, maybe a woo candle as well. Oh, I hit 1300 number for this account. From 11th November till today, I am around 40% maybe. When it reaches 1500, that will be total. Let me do the calculation. If I take this account to 1500, then 960, 1500, 960 was this account when I started live on it. So $540 will be the profit. Now 540 divide by 960 multiply by 100. It will come around 56.25%. All live right here. Okay. Did you get it now, Victor? Now most of my audience left. I know they go to trade it. But it is even further late entry by 127 pips. It's gone maybe. Because right here again is a trouble area which can push the price back down to this level on an intraday scale. But who knows, like it can continue bullish above this trend line. There is no wick of this H4, so maybe tap there and then it come back down. I have seen such situations, my friends. I have seen such situations, that's why I'm telling you. And where is that level? That level is right here. Yes, this one. So still we have a lot of further room to see that, okay, how much it can go up further. 42.23, a breakout or a rejection. Do you understand it now? Every day I trade for you, every day. And I say we will be getting a trade. Today we have got another one. Now for example, if I'm not closing this, it's my fault, okay? So I will say if you are getting 100 pips, just close it. Tomorrow another trade will come. Why taking so much burden? Just close it and learn. Rewind the session, peacefully learn the session. Watch some other sessions that I did. Watch the trade breakdown. It has got a little bit slow right here. But let's see. Maybe it's preparing for a sudden drop or something. No. It is still pointing back to 42.23. This is that level I'm afraid of on the H4. Big sellers can appear. If not, this market will be slowly crawling to the top side. See, as soon as it touched it, it tried to reverse. This is what I'm afraid of. Let's see another candle. Another candle, my friend, very decision moment it is. But no selling is advised from right here because maybe I think we can have a breakout from here. Who knows? Yes, obviously if I'm holding a buy position, so how would this come possible that I give a sell signal? And anyways, I'm not giving any signals or stuff. I teach right here these methods. Okay, I closed. See, the account is growing. And I think this is enough for the day. This is enough for the day. But the story is not yet ended right here, my friends. It is going to touch this level from there till here, and yes, this is going to be the decision area for it. This one. Now these rest of the situations are just random, but it is now again become bullish, and yet another trading day got in our favor. This is that level 61.8 can push the market back down. This level, I think now I don't need it. I don't need this level as well. Let's delete this Fibonacci. And now this is also not happening, so nice, no problem. I was supposed to be buying from here, no problem. This level remain with us, okay. This bullish momentum remain with us all the way till there. Simple. But obviously above this, continuation back there, and above this, you know my trade ideas. So I don't chase the markets, I get something else. My position trades are still there. Okay, so it was a live stream. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Make sure to rewind it. And Loki Victor, I didn't get your question what you actually want to ask. So yes, this is what it is. Thank you so much everyone. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care.